Running an online store sounds simple until you actually try it. After testing every major platform out there, I keep coming back to one. Today I'm reviewing Shopify in 2025 after using it for over 7 years across multiple stores. Now, full transparency here, there's a link down below that can get you a 3-day free trial and after that a $1 per month deal for 3 months. And yes, if you use that link, I do make a small commission. But here's the thing, I've been using Shopify since 2018, way before I ever made a penny from recommending it. So I'll show you exactly what makes it worth the investment and a few things to watch out for, based on real experience running actual stores. Shopify is your complete e-commerce headquarters. Website builder, payments, inventory, shipping, taxes, everything in one place. Plus over 8,000 apps for dropshipping, print on demand, loyalty programs, whatever your business needs. Setup is incredibly smooth. Pick from 900 themes, add products, and you're ready to sell. Let's cover pricing real quick. Starter at $5 monthly, lets you sell through social media. Basic at $29 monthly is the sweet spot for most beginners. You get your full store, unlimited products, abandoned cart recovery that saves about 10% of lost sales, and 24/7 support. Grow at $79 monthly makes sense once you're doing consistent sales, with better shipping rates and team features. Advanced and Plus are there when you're ready to scale big. The features that make the difference. The drag and drop builder is genuinely impressive. I'm not a designer, but my stores look professional. Everything's automatically mobile responsive, which matters since 70% of customers shop on phones. Shopify Payments is brilliant. Accept every payment method instantly, no third-party hassles. If you use it, zero transaction fees beyond standard processing. Built-in SEO tools get you found on Google with automatic sitemaps, SSL certificates, and clean URLs. Multi-channel selling is where Shopify really shines. Sell on your website, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Amazon, even in person, all synced from one dashboard. What really sold me on Shopify? The reliability is incredible with 99.98% uptime. Your store stays online even during massive sales events. I've never lost a sale to downtime. Support is available 24/7, and they actually know their stuff. Got a problem at midnight? They'll help you fix it. The platform scales beautifully. Start with 10 sales a month, grow to 10,000, same platform, no rebuilding needed. Now, yes, the monthly fees do add up once you include apps and premium features, but compare that to hiring a developer or losing sales to a crashed site. It's actually incredible value. And while you can't customize absolutely everything without the top tier plan, honestly, the standard features handle 95% of what you need. After building 5 successful stores, here's what I've learned. Shopify removes all the technical barriers that stop people from starting. My first store went from idea to making sales in 1 weekend. The learning curve is so gentle that anyone can do this. Quick success tips from experience. Start with the basic plan. It has everything you need. Use free themes first. Dawn and Debut look amazing. Only add apps that directly make you money. Focus on your products and marketing. Let Shopify handle the technical stuff. Here's who thrives with Shopify. Complete beginners who want professional results fast. Small businesses ready to go online without hiring developers. Anyone who'd rather spend time selling than troubleshooting servers. Basically, if you want to run an online business instead of becoming a web developer, Shopify is perfect for you. The 3-day trial plus $1 for 3 months deal in the description lets you test everything risk-free. Most people make their first sale within the first week. The platform practically guides you to success with tutorials and templates for everything. Bottom line, Shopify isn't the cheapest option, but it's the smartest investment for actually building a business. The time you save in sales you don't lose to technical problems make it worth every penny. Plus, with that trial offer, you can prove it to yourself for just $1. Click the link below to start your trial. In my next video, I'll walk you through setting up your first profitable store step by step. Drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.